Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fill out the France visa application from online from the UK in 2025. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for France visa application from online from UK. Click on the first official link that appears. It should take you to the France visa website. Once you're in the site, click Start your visa application. Next, click on Create an account. Here you'll need to enter your first and last name, email address, preferred language, and secured password. After filling all the detail, review everything for accuracy, then hit submit to create your account. Now follow the on-screen prompts to begin your application. You'll be asked information like your travel plans, your residence status in the UK, and any supporting documents. Be sure to save your progress regularly. Double check all your answers before you submit the final application. Mistakes can delay your visa process. And that's it. Your fans visa application is on its way. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tricks like this one. Thanks for watching.